Hook, midnight to 0:15. Tired of spending hours filming, editing, and still not getting that perfect shot? What if I told you that you could generate stunning, professional quality videos for anything in minutes, without ever touching a camera? Intro, 0:15 to 0:45. Well, today, we're diving deep into RunwayML Gen-2, the AI tool that's completely changing video production. Whether you need a dynamic product demo, engaging social media clips, or a quick explainer video, I'll show you exactly how to transform text, images, and even existing video into cinematic masterpieces. We're talking practical workflows, time-saving tips, and how to get truly epic results. Let's go. Main content, 0:45 to 5 o'clock. Alright, let's jump straight into RunwayML. Once you log in, you'll see the intuitive interface. We're focusing on Gen-2, which is their groundbreaking video generation model. You have three main modes here: text to video, image to video, and video to video. Let's start with the pure magic. 1. Text to video, 0:55 to 2 o'clock, ***. First up, text to video. This is where you literally type what you want to see, and AI brings it to life. For example, let's try something descriptive, ***, a sleek, futuristic car driving through a neon-lit city at night, rain on the windshield, cinematic shot, slow motion. ***, see how I'm adding details like camera angles, lighting, and mood. That's key. You can also select style presets, choose from options like cinematic, anime, or abstract to guide the AI further. Pay attention to the aspect ratio, 9:16 for TikTok or Reels, 16:9 for YouTube. Hit generate, and watch it work its magic. Show generation process briefly, then the resulting clip. Pro tip: be as descriptive as a movie director. Think about what's in the scene, the movement, the lighting, the mood, and even camera movements like dolly shot or pan left. Experiment with different seeds if you want variations from the same prompt. 2. Image to video, 2 to 3:15, ***. Next, image to video. This is fantastic for breathing life into static images, like product photos or concept art. Let's upload an image, say, a beautiful landscape. Now, I can add a prompt to describe the motion I want, ***, the product levitating gently, soft studio light, slow rotation, 360 view. Or for the landscape, fog rolling over the mountains, cinematic camera push in, sunlight breaking through clouds. Runway also gives you incredible control with motion brush or camera motion. With motion brush, you can literally paint on your image to tell the AI exactly what should move and how much. Want the smoke to drift but the building to stay still? Use the brush. You can also control global camera motion, like zooming in or panning across the scene. Demonstrate briefly with an example. Generate, and see your static image animate beautifully. Show resulting clip. Pro tip: high-quality source images make a huge difference here. And don't be afraid to combine a good prompt with precise motion controls for truly specific results. 3. Video to video, 3:15 to 4:30, ***. And for the ultimate transformation, video to video. This lets you reimagine existing footage, completely changing its style or elements within it. Upload a short clip, maybe a simple shot of someone walking. Now, I'll input a prompt, ***, a robot walking through a cyberpunk street, rain effects, glitch art style. ***, you can adjust the intensity of the effect, how much the AI should deviate from your original video, and style fidelity, to control how closely it adheres to your prompt style. Demonstrate briefly. Hit generate, and watch your ordinary footage become something entirely new. Show resulting clip. This is fantastic for giving old footage a fresh look, applying unique artistic styles without complex VFX, or even transforming real-world objects into fantastical ones. Imagine turning a car into a spaceship, or a forest into an alien landscape. Workflow and time-saving tips, 4:30 to 5 o'clock. Remember these general tips, always generate a few variations to pick the best. Use negative prompts to exclude unwanted elements, like asterisk, no blurry, no artifacts. Asterisk explore the upscale feature for higher resolution outputs. And always consider your final platform, vertical for short-form social media, horizontal for YouTube, square for Instagram posts. RunwayML is constantly updating, so keep an eye on new features. Pros and cons, 5 to 6 o'clock. So, what are the pros and cons of RunwayML Gen-2? Pros asterisk. Asterisk incredibly fast asterisk generate complex videos in minutes, not hours or days. Asterisk no filming needed asterisk say goodbye to cameras, actors, and elaborate sets. Asterisk unleashed creativity asterisk produce unique visual styles and concepts that would be difficult or impossible with traditional methods. Asterisk constantly improving asterisk RunwayML is at the forefront of AI video, with frequent updates and new features. Asterisk beginner-friendly asterisk the interface is intuitive, making it accessible even if you're new to AI or video editing. Cons asterisk. Asterisk credit usage asterisk generating videos uses credits, which can add up, especially for longer or higher quality clips. Asterisk unpredictable results asterisk while powerful, AI can sometimes produce unexpected or dreamlike artifacts that require regeneration. Asterisk limited clip length asterisk currently, clips are relatively short, often requiring stitching together for longer narratives. Asterisk control limitations asterisk for highly precise, hyperrealistic, or specific character actions, traditional filming still offers more control. Asterisk prompting curve asterisk getting exactly what you want requires practice with detailed prompting. CTA, 6 to 6:30. So, what epic video are you going to create with RunwayML Gen-2 first? Let me know in the comments below. If this tutorial saved you time and sparked your creativity, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.